How to buy Mochi token. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefit. Check the amount description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the base network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Select the business network from here, as you can see. So after you select the base network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. Now after that, as you can see, click on this plus icon. But before that, make sure to read that warning, and if you're ready to go, click on confirm. Now after you add this token to your wallet, go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called the Mochi. So after you find the Mochi token, what you need to do, click on it. Now click on swap. As you can see, now switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So this is how much you receive in a while. You will be able to see. So this is it. Now after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Mochi token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.